Hello, welcome back to another lecture. So we are at the end of this section and I want to test your knowledge on what you've learned so far on Sketch. So I've created 4 sketches for you. This is the first sketch. The dimensions is in millimeter. So I want you to create this sketch on any plane. And the second sketch is this sketch. And feel free to use the relations that I have on it to use that as a guide on how each entities are connected to each other. And this sketch is also in millimeter. The next sketch, I try to create this, and the dimension is an inch. And the last sketch, and dimension is also an inch. And thank you. In the next lecture, we are going to be covering the solutions to this sketch. But try your best to try to create each one. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.